How to log in, sign in Trust Wallet account online. Hello everybody, in this tutorial we will be showing you how to easily log in into your Trust Wallet account online, whether you're accessing your wallet from a new device or just need to sign in. In this quick and easy guide, we will help you secure and manage your crypto assets with Trust Wallet. So let's just get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, or you can directly head over to the app of Trust Wallet and make sure you have installed it on your device. And once you're on the app, look for the Get Started option on your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and wait for the screen to be loaded, where you will be finding different options here. So in order to log in, since we already have an account, we're going to tap on this Add Existing Wallet section, and there are different options available. So here, either you can use the Swift account if you used Swift to create your account before, like your biometrics in order to create your account. Otherwise, we have secret phrase as well that can be used in order to log in. That is usually a 12 or 24 word phrase that you were given when you first created your wallet. So make sure you enter the words correctly, as mistakes will prevent you from accessing your wallet. So another thing is Google Drive backup. So if you want to back up your account from Google Drive, you just need to go ahead and log in with a Google Drive account, and then you will be easily logged in with the restoration from your Google Drive as well. And another we have is View Only Wallet, which only allows us to view our trades and track our assets of other wallets. And that is it. Choose any of the method that is you used in order to create your account earlier, and you will be successfully logged in into your Trust Wallet account online. It's important to keep your recovery phase safe and secure, as it is the key to accessing your funds. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.